In today's video, I'll be giving my honest and unbiased review of H&R Block's tax course. H&R Block's tax course is a popular choice for those looking to boost their tax knowledge for personal use or to begin a career as a tax professional. When you visit their official website, you'll find a user-friendly dashboard that guides you through the course offerings. The main goal of this course is to equip you to file taxes confidently, even for small businesses, with the backing of certified tax professionals and 100% accuracy guarantee. It streamlines your tax filing process, allowing you to focus more on your work while ensuring compliance with tax regulations. This course covers a wide range of tax topics, from basic tax preparation to more advanced subjects like deductions and credits, along with hands-on practice using real tax filing scenarios. It is designed to prepare you for entry-level roles at H&R Block and beyond. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the course. Pros: it's relatively affordable, costing around $115 to $200. After completing the course, you can file your taxes online anytime and on any device. You'll have access to live expert help, which is invaluable when tackling your taxes. Completing the H&R Block course can be a strong addition to your resume, especially if you are looking to enter the tax field. Cons: some students have reported that the course can be demanding, particularly for beginners, requiring additional study time outside of class. So is it worth it? If you're looking to deepen your tax knowledge for personal use or start a career in tax preparation, the H&R Block Tax Course can be a valuable investment.